worked with a lot of quarterbacks before, and they've all had success. Understands how to get the most out of players at this level. He'll do a great job.
And we welcome you inside Lucas Oil Stadium, the 2023 NFL Scouting Combine, presented by No Bull.
You have to have the shrimp cocktail. You've never had shrimp cocktail unless you've had it here. People are like, oh no, I love spicy, and then their brain explodes.
I was a scouting assistant my first year here. I was in charge of making sure that there was food in the suite and everything was stocked. My role here has certainly changed.